Connecting a Xumo remote to your LG TV can be done in three main ways: programming the remote, using infrared, or consumer electronics control. First, programming involves teaching the Xumo remote your LG TV's codes. Press and hold the TV button, enter a code like 0030 or 0056, then test by turning the TV on and off. Second, for infrared or IR, ensure a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV's sensor. Keep the remote within 10 to 15 feet and avoid obstructions or bright lights. Third, Consumer Electronics Control, or CEC, uses HDMI to let devices communicate. Enable HDMI control in your LG TV settings, connect via HDMI, and the TV will auto-recognize. As of 2025, most LG TVs from 2019 onwards support these connection methods. Now let's walk through the specific steps for connecting your Xumo remote to an LG TV, including troubleshooting tips. To program your Xumo remote, press and hold the TV button, enter the LG code from Xumo's website for your model, and test it by turning the TV on and off. For IR connection, make sure nothing is blocking the remote's signal. The remote needs a clear line of sight to the TV's sensor. CEC can be enabled in your LG TV's settings under HDMI control. Connect the Xumo device via HDMI and it should auto-recognize. Ensure both your LG TV and Xumo device have the latest firmware. If CEC drops, check the device control setting in the Xumo app. For older TVs, an IR extender might be necessary. By 2030, expect app-based remotes with cloud syncing to become more common. These connection methods and troubleshooting tips should help you set up your Xumo remote with an LG TV effectively.